Hey, what's up guys, this is the Medlike here, welcome back to a new video. Sorry I haven't been making videos recently, it's because I've been back in college. I keep repeating that same excuse every single time I try to make videos, the fact that I'm always in college, which probably should not be an excuse. There's a lot of people out there that want to do YouTube and don't know exactly how to start, so I decided that, you know what, I'm gonna help people out today, and I'm gonna tell you exactly how you can start a YouTube channel by yourself. Now, starting a YouTube channel is not that difficult. There's a lot of factors which are involved in order to make a good YouTube channel. The first thing I'm going to say is make your channel. Seriously, the first step to even starting a YouTube channel is making it, making your own channel the way you want it, coming up with a really good name that you find is very interesting to you and something that's really catchy, people will easily remember. So come up with something simple yet catchy. Number 2, customize your channel. Make it your own. Make your own picture. Use even simple things online. If you have Photoshop, use Photoshop to make your picture for your channel. If you don't have it, go online. There's a website called pixelart.com and you can literally make your thing right there, no problem whatsoever. And if you're using editing software like I am currently, what I'm using is Sony Vegas Pro 14. I use that to make my pictures in my videos and the picture for my channel and the actual background picture for my channel. I use Sony Vegas for all of them, so that's what I suggest doing. Number 3, it's not about the equipment you have, it's about how you use the equipment you have. What I mean by this is the fact that it doesn't matter if you don't have the state-of-the-art DSLR camera or a proper movie camera, if you don't have a Blue Yeti like I do, or you don't have a top-notch computer to edit your software in, or you don't have the editing software to do it, it doesn't matter. It really does not matter. My first video was there was no editing involved, it was just me speaking to a camera for about 10 minutes with a really shitty Samsung Galaxy Mini. And this was like in 2012, and that was a long time ago. And I'm slowly building my channel up. But the thing is, you don't need, like I said, top-of-the-art equipment to make a good YouTube video. You don't. Even if you have a webcam on the computer and it's decent, that'll work. If you have a decent phone camera, use that, that's fine. If you have a mic, that's perfect, use it. If you don't, it doesn't really matter. Most phone cameras these days have pretty decent audio, so you don't really need to worry about that much. Especially, and I mean especially if you're just vlogging. If you're vlogging, you don't really need a proper mic to do everything. The only reason I have one is because it's easier for me to make videos and make them better quality, because I'm sitting down right here and it's easier to make a video. So that's number 2. You don't need amazing equipment, use what you have and use it to your advantage and make the absolute most of it. That's what I'm going to give you right there. Number 4, create your own content. What I mean by this is the fact that there are a lot of people out there who would follow trendy subjects to get views very fast on YouTube, and then when the trend runs out, they don't know what to talk about anymore. So what I suggest is that you make your own videos about topics that interest you and things that you like to talk about, nothing else. Now obviously if there's a trend going down here and you want to make a video about it, sure, go ahead. But don't base your entire channel on making videos about popular subjects that are there. The reason I say this is because there's a lot of people out there that create content that's purely based on focusing on the newest trends. Even like drama channels and like news channels, they follow the newest things that go around the internet, I'm not saying you shouldn't do that. If you want to go down that path and make like news channels and stuff, then by all means go ahead, talk about all the popular subjects you want to talk about. But if your goal is to make random videos or make vlogs or make gaming videos or whatever, and make exactly what you want to make, and once you start building an audience, you have to understand that you have to keep making videos that you want. Because if you start to depend on your subscribers to give you ideas for you, then they're gonna start to believe that you have to make videos that they want to make. And then you're gonna start hating making YouTube videos instead of loving them. So you're gonna lose the passion for making them. And then at the end, your videos are gonna suffer for it. So remember that. Number 5, be yourself. Seriously, I can't stress this enough. Don't do YouTube if you're gonna become a fake personality, a fake kind of person. No, for YouTube, you have to be yourself. The only way subscribers are gonna go to your channel and like you and follow you and watch your videos all the time is if you act like yourself. Because yes, sure, you might act like someone you're not for a while, and then when someone finds out, all the credibility that you had is gone out the window. It's gone. Because they have watched a fake person for who knows how long, so you're better off starting YouTube with a personality that is exactly you. Act like yourself, be yourself, and express yourself. Just be yourself. Literally, that's the whole point of this little thing, is be yourself. Number 6, don't do it for the money. If your goal on YouTube is just to make money and to be famous and to do this for money, you're not going to become successful. That is one thing I cannot stress enough, is the fact that you have to do this because you want to do this and you love doing it. Not because of the money, not because of the fame or subscribers or likes. You gotta do it because you enjoy making videos for people and you enjoy doing this in general. Because if you start doing this for the money and subscribers and fame and fortune, whatever the hell else that might be, you're gonna lose your credibility and you're gonna lose your inspiration in making videos. And the fact is, your videos are gonna suffer because of that. Like I said with the last point, your videos are gonna suffer if you just do this for the money. You can really see that a person is passionate about making videos by the way they make their videos. How they're edited, how they're filmed, how many times they make videos, what the topics are, and if they're really interested, you can tell that a person is interested. But those who only care about money will only put out videos for the fact that they can gain money off it, and that's the only reason some people will do it. So don't do that. Number 7, collaborate. Especially if you're starting a new channel and you want to have a little boost to your channel, I really do suggest doing a video with someone that has subscribers, because that gives them an idea for the video. They get another video out there that they enjoy doing. You get a video out there as well because doing in your channel, and you might even get a little subscriber boost. So I do suggest doing little collabs with your friends if that's possible. Number 8, don't be a reaction channel. That's it. Simple as. Number 9, keep making videos. YouTube is a grind, and I'm telling you this right now, YouTube is a grind. The only way you're gonna get out there and the only way you're gonna be able to even have people watching your videos is if you make videos. That is it. You gotta keep making videos all the time. You can't just make a video once a month or once a week. You gotta keep making videos. Seriously, the only way you can get out there, especially with the algorithm of YouTube these days, you gotta keep making videos, because it is going to be very difficult at first. I'm telling you right now, it's going to be difficult to get out there at first. It really is, because you can upload videos that you're really proud of and you're really happy with, and you're not getting the views that you want. But don't stress, because what I mean by all this, the long story short of this, is keep making videos and keep making videos and get better and better and better at making them. And one day you're gonna get bigger. Seriously, that is all it is. I'm not even kidding. It is just constantly making videos. It is a grind, and you gotta do them. You gotta keep doing it, and you gotta do it because you love it, not because you have to. And I think that covers pretty much most of it. If you have any questions about how to start a YouTube channel or anything else like that, give me a shout, leave a comment down below, or anything else like that. And this is the Metal Lab. My name is Harold. If you're a first time viewer, welcome to my channel. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, everything else. I have this saying where I constantly say, pass the YouTube on the left hand side, like I always say, which I always do. If you check out my channel, you'll know. And make sure to click the bell to get ensured that you get notified by every video I make in the future. So I will see you all very soon. Have a lovely day and have a lovely week, and goodbye.